Hi friends, welcome to Curie Electronics. This is the third part of clamper circuit. The first part it was an introduction. The second part it was the first part was the introduction. Second part was the positive clamper, and this is the negative clamper. This today I will explain you what is a negative clamper. So we will see what is a negative clamper circuit today. The circuit which what's a clamper circuit? Clamper circuit shift the waveform to a positive side or negative side, positive side or negative side, positive side or negative side. That is, if you have a pulse like this this clamper circuit can shift it like this, or if it is a negative clamper, it can just like this. So this is what a clamper circuit does. Now we will see negative clamper. What is a negative clamper? Negative clamper circuit, negative clamper. So how to draw a negative clamper circuit? We'll have a capacitor and one diode. You see the direction of the diode, the direction of the arrow of diode pointing towards the ground. If it is pointing towards the ground, then it is a negative clamper. It's a negative clamper. We will apply the input here. We'll apply input here. So if the arrow points, if arrow of diode points towards ground, then it is negative clamper. So this circuit is a negative clamper circuit. Now we will verify how it works. So this is I will take a square wave. This is a plus V and this is minus V. Plus V and minus V. During the positive half cycle of the waveform, how the circuit works. During the positive half cycle, this diode becomes a short. Diode will act as a short circuit. And here we have load RL. This is our load resistance RL. And here we will get the output V out. Here we will get V out. And how do you measure it? We measure this as our multimeter positive and this is the negative. We are connected the multimeter like that. Then we are now positive is coming. Positive side of the signal is coming. Now what happens when positive side comes? This end is going to be plus and this end is going to be minus. That is just like a battery connected. This is plus and this is minus. And the current in the circuit, see, when it's short circuited, all current flows through the short. So this resistor is just like an open circuit. Now what is the voltage across the capacitor? VC. We'll take it as VC. Okay, we have to find out VC. Now I will apply the Kirchhoff law here. If I apply Kirchhoff law, minus this is the input voltage, that is V, minus V plus VC equals 0, because V out equal to 0. Why V out equal to 0? We are the multimeter, both negative and positive terminals are connected at the same point. There is potential is same, so V out is going to be 0. V out equal to 0. So we will get, we need VC. This is a plus, this is also plus, minus 2 plus VC. So minus VC, we'll get VC equal to V. We got VC equal to V. Okay, now during the negative half cycle, what we get? Now our capacitor is charged to plus. That is this is plus. It's already charged. I will write in the next diagram. So during this is for the negative cycle. Negative cycle, what happens? This is the capacitor. Diode becomes open, and we have the load resistor RL. We have RL. This is RL, and here we have the, what is that? This will become negative, and now it's a negative cycle. So this is negative and this is plus. So that is equivalent to a battery connected like this. So the current flows like this through the load. Now I'll write the Kirchhoff's equation. Now what we got, the capacitor voltage from the previous cycle, we got V here. And what was the polarity? Plus, minus. Now I'll write the capacitor. When I will write the Kirchhoff law, Kirchhoff's equation. Now plus V, that is the input voltage, plus V plus capacitor voltage V. This is our plus terminal, this is our minus terminal. Plus V out equal to 0. Now what is V out? V out equals to minus 2V. So this is for the negative clamper circuit. Now how our output and input waveform looks like? Our output and input waveform looks like. So this is our input waveform. Our input waveform, it was like this input waveform. Now how this was minus V and this was plus V. This is plus V. Now what is our output? How our output waveform look like? In the output, during the positive cycle, the output was 0, and during the negative cycle, it has gone to 2V. So this is the minus 2V. So this is the output. This is the working of a negative clamper. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. And friends, thanks for watching. Next will be, we will solve one biased clamper circuit. We will see, and then we'll see one dual clamper, and we'll solve some problems. Then the topic finishes. So friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends.